this next song, just after I finished the 1988 tour with Leonard, and we traveled for months and months, he was giving a very special party for his teacher, his Zen teacher, his master, and he asked if I would sing this song at the party. And I said no, I would not, because I was very used to singing the backup vocals, and I loved doing oohs and ahs. I'm someone who loves being a backup singer, and I'm really good at it, and I feel safe back there. And so he said, "Oh, you know what? Just try it. You'll do great." And I said, "Okay, but I'm not promising anything. I may choose not to do it." So I practiced with my friend, who was a guitar player, and we practiced and we practiced, and we worked on it. I wanted to feel something. And one day something clicked, and I was a little, arrogant, and I said, "You know what? I think I own this song." And he said, "Don't kid yourself. This song owns you." Like a bird on the wire, like a drunk in a midnight choir, I have tried in my way to be free. Like a worm on a hook, like a knight from some old-fashioned book, I have saved all my ribbons for thee. And if I've been unkind, I hope that you can just let it go by. And if I've been untrue, I hope you know it was never to you. Like a baby stillborn, like a beast with his horn, I have torn everyone who reached out for me. But I swear by this song and by all that I have done wrong, I will make it all up to thee. Don't I hope that you can just let it all go by. No, don't cry if I've been untrue. I hope you know it was never to you. Like a bird on the wire, like a drum